Hey friends, welcome back. Fourth day, huh? So today's prompt was radio, and I just could not think of anything else apart from the radio which my grandfather owned. In my childhood, radio was almost dying out that time. Televisions were there, but still listening to music or cricket commentaries or football commentaries was nice, and my grandfather liked to listen in the radio. So I had to draw this radio that we had at our home, uh, and I could not think of anything else. So, as the final result, I was quite happy with what I got. And to start the drawing, I just used the pen. I do not use the pencil, as I've said that yesterday, right? So I do not use the pencil, and the pen really worked well. See, there can be mistakes. I would say that in Inktober we have this fear of doing mistakes and then not able to erase them. But that is the whole point. I think even Jake Parker, the creator of Inktober, had the same idea that we need to draw every day and do not think of the mistakes that we do. So that makes us a better artist, isn't it? So yeah, this radio that came out, well, see, radio can have different interpretations. But as I said, once I saw this word radio, the prompt, I could do nothing other than drawing the radio that we had at our home. So this was a bit nostalgic for me, pretty personal, and I was happy, as I said, with the drawing, and this is what I had to offer to you. See you tomorrow again. Till then, please take care of yourself. Comment what you think about this drawing. Like the video if you have liked it. And needless to say, please subscribe. Because subscribing will help me go on and on and on. So every subscription, every share that you do with your friends is a huge kind of an encouragement. That's something which is priceless. I cannot describe actually. So thank you guys. Thanks for supporting me so much. You guys have been really brilliant these few days, like months now. So thanks for helping me grow. Thanks for helping me become a better artist every day. So see you soon. Not soon. I'll see you tomorrow again in the Inktober challenge, day 5. Till then, enjoy the day 4 with the music. Bye bye.